Today we are going to replace iPhone 11 screen step by step. First of all, unscrew the bottom 2 screws. After that, use appropriate tool to open the screen and must start from bottom. Be careful while opening from top. Face ID may got disabled. Screen has been opened now. Next is to remove cover from battery and screen plugs. Open the cover screws by using appropriate screwdriver. Once all screws are opened, now remove covers using plucker. First you have to unplug the battery, but use only plastic tool to it, otherwise short circuit can be happened. Then unplug the screen clips and remove the broken screen. Now connects the new screen clips, then connects battery clip and switch on to check either screen is working properly or not. Yes, screen working. Now transfer front camera kit into new screen. Be careful with Face ID. Remove all the stickers and other things from screen before finally placing it. Once camera transferred, now connects all connectors and place covers on proper places and tight the screws before pack mobile. Now pack the mobile and tight the button screws, and before giving to the user, check it once again. Yes, it all perfectly working. QuickRepair Zone, London. Thanks for watching.